Hello kids, I welcome you all to this new video by Study Basic Education. And friends, as you know, this is the part 2nd of the series, What Do We Say to It in English? So, in this series, we are discussing some of the Hindi words which are well known to us but still we are unaware about their English meanings. So, why to wait? Let's get started. So, our today's first word is Rajai. And the English translation for it, quilt. It is pronounced as quilt. So now the second word is again a very familiar with you, which is parde. Yes, parde. So the English translation for it is curtains. It is pronounced as curtains. Now the third one is Amla. Third one is Amla. So the English pronunciation and translation is gooseberry. Gooseberry. And if we have the word amle means the plural form, so we will write gooseberries because we remove y if we have to convert it into plural form and we write I-E-S. Now our fourth word is good. Yes, good, and it is pronounced and translated in English as jaggery. It's as jaggery. Now the last word of today's video is paneer. Yes, paneer. So this is a bit uncommon from its pronunciation that we pronounce it as paneer but it is written as poneer, but still we will pronounce it as poneer, right? हम इसको बोलते हैं पनीर है लेकिन फिर भी हम इसकी जो स्पेलिंग है जो हम इसका स्पेल चेक करते हैं उसमें हम इसको PON लिखते हैं, PAN हम इसे नहीं लिखते हैं. So that's it about all the words. Now I would like to say to you, thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and share your views in the comment box. And if you wanna contact us in a official mode, so you can contact us on studybasiceducation@gmail.com. Thank you.